What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today I'm coming to you from San Antonio, Texas. So I just arrived from Houston, and they're getting unseasonably cool weather. So I'm going to walk around the Riverwalk here. So this is the San Antonio Riverwalk, and that's what this video is going to be all about, is checking out San Antonio, but in particular, this Riverwalk. So a little bit of history for you about the city of San Antonio. It's named after Saint Anthony. It is the 7th most populated city in the United States, the 2nd most populous city in both Texas and the southern part of the United States. Okay. It was founded as a Spanish mission and colonial outpost in 1718. The city then became chartered as a settlement in present-day Texas. The area was still part of the Spanish Empire and later the Mexican Republic. This is famous for the Alamo, which is where the city gets its name, the Alamo City, and you may know of Davy Crockett. Statue of Theodore Roosevelt. Okay guys, so San Antonio does have a little bit of a wild homeless population. I ain't just saying that. A little bit rambunctious down here with the homeless, talking to themselves, yelling. It's one thing to talk to yourself, but another thing to like yell at yourself, and it's not just one or two people, there's multiple people doing it. And here we are, the Alamo. So this is the Alamo. The entrance to the Alamo is actually free. Let's go ahead and go inside the Alamo here. Just in case you're wondering why you're seeing so many Air Force people, this is where the Air Force boot camp is. Basic training is in San Antonio. There's the Alamo exhibit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys the history about the Alamo. So, General Santa Anna, Antonio Santa Anna, was with the Mexican cavalry, or the Mexican military. He was coming to defeat the new settlers, which were a part of the Republic of Texas, or part of the American settlement colonialists. And so here, there was a guy by the name of Davy Crockett. They were set up, and the Mexican cavalry came through and defeated the colonialists who were here. They were outnumbered. They called home to get some reinforcement. It didn't come, but eventually Santa Anna would defeat the settlers here. But what ended up happening was General Sam Houston, he, at about noon in the afternoon on one day, he came through and caught Santa Anna off guard and defeated the Mexican cavalry, took Santa Anna captive, prisoner, signed an armistice, and that was what eventually led to the Republic of Texas being established, and eventually becoming a part of the United States and no longer part of New Spain, or what was also called Mexico. So at first, Santa Anna, the leader of the Mexicans, had defeated them at the Alamo, which is here. But Sam Houston came in on a day, caught Santa Anna and his troops off guard, forced an armistice, and that's what led to the establishment of Texas. So that's what this is all about. The Alamo is all about a battle that took place here where colonists were defeated by Santa Anna. and Santa Ana was eventually defeated by Sam Houston. This is a church. This here is a look at the famous hotel down here on the Riverwalk. If you want to stay at a really nice hotel, check out this Hyatt right here. Biergarten, nice. That's real nice. Man, this is a spot to hang out. What do they serve? Oh man, they got some good food. Look at this. Just want to show you. Bratwurst. This is German food, huh? Look at that. So now we're headed through this hotel here. Hyatt Regency Hotel towards the Riverwalk, so you get an idea of what it looks like out here. Hey, good afternoon. Thank you. Now you got to come to the Hyatt Regency right here. This is the hotel to stay at right here. Look at this. Wow, look at that. I wonder how much it is to stay here. It's like centrally located next to the riverfront. It's a little bit too cold for me. Forest Cafe. At least when they do some fixing up, they keep the old design. Hello, how are you? Which way do we go? Which way do we go? So here's a river theater they got along the Riverwalk here. Obviously nothing going on right now, but we can scope it out. Alamo Street. Could keep going that way. Okay, so this side here is the river center. This is all a man-made area. We're gonna walk from the man-made area past the Chili's, past the Hooters, past the Margaritaville, and we're gonna go all the way to where the natural river actually is, right? So that's where we're headed right now. And just to give you some idea about that natural river, right? So it was originally established for people from the Canary Islands, and they used that river as a water source. And over time, they slowly but surely cultivated and took care of that area because it was where they lived, and they made it into something. And that little riverfront, which is from people of the Canary Islands, became something. And in case you didn't know where the Canary Islands are, I believe it's part of either Spain or Portugal. So they'd be Portuguese. What do we have here? The San Antonio Riverwalk.